Happy New Year everyone, this is Niall at Learn to Trade the Market. Welcome to 2009. It's New Year's Day in Australia. It's about 2 p.m. Big night last night, lots of drinks, lots of fireworks. Had a great time. Hope you enjoyed your New Year festivities. I know you guys in the US are probably celebrating as I record this video. I want to draw your attention to this Aussie dollar chart. Now, whilst I'm not a signal service or a trading recommendation service, in the members section last week I put in this fakie setup, and I'll explain in a moment. I was pretty much backing up what was in the course about false breaks and the fakie setup and what it's all about, how it results in a move in the exact opposite direction than what the entire market believes is the case. So I'll get to the point and I'll show you the fakie setup and explain to you why it works with the golden cross, the 8 and 21 day exponential moving averages. In this case they were crossed up, and I'll show you why trading with the trend as beginner tends to yield better results, especially if you're new to price action. Okay, so the fakie is really looking for an inside bar series. So we had the mother candle here. This was the first inside bar there. This was the second, still inside that first mother candle, and then we have this little bar here which was a false break, and you'll see this low here was just tickled right there. That's a false break. Now, it's not good enough to just know that markets make false breaks. You've got to actually study this stuff and learn how it looks, what happens in the market after it occurs, and when are the best ones, what are the best ones to trade and when. Okay, so what are the best ones to trade? Well, I'd say false breaks from inside bar patterns with a confluence of trend and horizontal levels. So in this case we had the trend which was up, we had this horizontal level through here. You can see we have that level, this level, and that level right there. So that's a horizontal level, so the momentum's up, and we have this nice false break and the little pin bar. So the fakie really is something that can yield very big profits if traded correctly, and I'd say that unless it looks obvious, and I'm talking, I mean, this one is the most obvious fakie I've seen in a long time. You've got the trend up, you've got confirmation of support on that candle, this candle, and then a false break right there, and then the slingshot, the pin bar pattern. So the market moved down and then slingshot straight up. This is what you're looking for. This is price action, and really the only thing that I trade is the fakie, the pin bar, and the inside bar patterns. And just to prove a point with trading with the trend, this pin bar, right, this pin bar right here, you wouldn't have taken it purely and simply because the trend is up. The 8 and 21 day exponential moving averages are up, and you can see the market did explode up from, you guessed it, an inside bar right there. So the pin bar was the mother candle, this was the inside bar, and it broke up right here. There's the trigger, and you can see it's probably looking to test this high up here. So that's how you interpret price action. I go over it in the course. If you're interested in learning more about this stuff, you can go and check it out on the website. It's the trading course tab on learntotradethemarket.com. There's the link, and you know, you be the decision maker here. If you want to progress your career in Forex trading, you can either sit and watch these things happen and not know how to trade them, or you can get a proper education. And I strongly suggest, if it's not me, to look for people that are talking about price action. Don't look at indicators or systems. You want to be learning this stuff. Understand the intricacies and the emotion, the psychology of price action, because it is the key to trading. And whilst I won't guarantee you'll make profits, I will guarantee you it's the most profitable method that I've ever used, and you should all be looking at this in one form or another. Take care, have a great 2009, I'll see you in a couple of days.